Stop, they should just deal with you, it was Frank.
Yes. This is my director. She's a student here. She's taking over the preparing for your arrival for a while now. So we hope you like it. We've tried to set up or replicate make you here.
I'm not sure.
Otumfour chairman. Yeah, that's very we see Bema Brady. Actually, the next 3 days program, Yashishe, I'm Otumfour.
But also, say, I said that on down, so I don't know what we're doing now, what we do is review. Papa, I'm also agree with you now and say program, that's what down.
With your permission, I would allow her to introduce herself to Otumfour.
It's very important to me that you know how incredible this opportunity is, not just for myself or for the Africa Summit, but for this university. We've not been able to bring in anybody from outside of the UK for our summit since before 2020, and for when the President of Ghana came to our summit. So this is incredible that we're finally able to bring in people again, and the fact that it is yourself is even more exciting. Beyond just that, I come from a very small town in Connecticut in the United States. There's mostly just trees, and nobody imagines meeting anybody of your caliber or of your status. So what's been incredible about posting this event all over social media has been not just the reaction from students and from community members here, but all over the world. Anybody involved in this, their friends from back at home, their family, they all are asking, how can I come and meet the King? How can I come and watch this event? So my family is in town. One of our family friends traveled from Switzerland to come see this. Oh. The excitement that you've generated is massive. So not only do I want to thank you, but I also would like to welcome you in a way that is customary to where I come from. So I left Connecticut a couple years ago with my family. We're now living in South Carolina. And one of our favorite new traditions that my mother has probably taken to an extreme is the tradition of giving welcoming beads to anybody who comes into our home. So on every door in our house that leads outside, we have a set of welcoming beads. That is a custom that began when, unfortunately, slavery was brought to the South. But what that meant is that Southern cultures tend to have a very diverse mix of people coming from all over the world. So our welcoming beads have a historical background of Afro-Caribbean influence. And what they are, they have an oyster, which is symbolic of Charleston, South Carolina, and the exports that usually come from our area, and the beads, which are symbolic of creations, yes. So they're all over our home, and I wanted to extend them to you to say thank you. Welcome, thank you very much. Thank you. I can open, yes. Sure. This is just paper. Not exciting. This is the gift, and then this.
Need to speak in English. Speaking properly. Otumfour, the members of the executive team at Minchia, and all here gathered. I welcome you once again to St. Andrews, Scotland. As my uncle has said, this is my alma mater. This is where I went to university as an undergraduate. And I established the St. Andrews Africa Summit almost 10 years ago to deliberate on African affairs here in Scotland. And it's now grown from power to power, strength to strength, and by God's grace, it's now the leading African conference in Scotland. So I thank you once again for honoring our invitation.